Hello friends, good morning. Welcome back to bharatcoders. So in today video I'm going to show you like how you can download Postman for Macbook and how you can install and use in your Macbook. So first of all what you have to do is you have to open your browser. So let me open Chrome. Now you have to search like download Postman for macOS, and here like Postman, this will automatically detect your OS. Like if you are using the Windows, then here it will show for the Windows, and if you are using MacBook, and in MacBook also, if like you are using Apple silicon chip, then this website will detect automatically and give you the option. So since my MacBook is like using Apple silicon chip, so I will just click on it and it will download the Postman. So there is a network issue, like network is not working properly, so it is taking some time. You can see here the download has started, and once this download will complete, there is network issue in my side. So once this like download is complete, you can just double click on it and it will install. Like if I try to search, I have already downloaded the Postman. Okay, you can see this. I have already downloaded this Postman. You have to just double click on it, and system will like install it automatically. Since I have already installed, so it is like system is opening this Postman. So what I will do, I will just quit it, and if you see in applications, after like you have installed like Postman on macOS, then you can go to your like apps and you can find here your Postman application. This is where it is installed. So this is how like you can install Postman on macOS, and you can use it. So this is all about this video. Thank you, have a nice day.